always wants to know, what bag am I carrying? So currently I'm carrying this adorable Around Town tote in camel with a navy monogram. I absolutely love the classic look to it. It's a leather tote with a monogram option, and I really love the little cell phone pocket. I'll just show you guys here. I love the cell phone pocket because I can slide it right inside of there. Always know where my cell phone is. And then inside of my purse, I have three of my favorite things. The first thing I have is a zipper pouch, must have for lipstick, chapstick, pens, gum, all those little things. Secondly, I have a large zipper pouch. This keeps the bigger things that you don't want to just fall to the bottom of your purse. And then last but not least is our tons of fun. Now this is one of our customer specials for this month, and I actually use it as a wallet inside of one of my larger bags, or if I'm just going out shopping to the ballpark and I don't want to take a purse, I love that this gives me a hands-free option and still has all of my necessities in it. So those are actually the physical things that I carry inside of my bag. But the one thing that I want to share with you guys, oh, I forgot actually my favorite thing that I carry, and this is our Letters to London. I love this. It's in cork. I use it as a keychain, so this is my car keys. And if you open it up, it actually holds a driver's license and a couple credit cards. So I keep this just right on my keychain. So if I have this, I always know I have my driver's license, my credit card, and usually I stash a $5 bill in there as well. So this is called the Letters to London, and I have it in cork. So the one thing that I did not show you that comes inside of my bag is actually the most important thing that I carry in my bag, and that is my Y for 31. So I'm happy to report that I just was able to pay 2 private school tuition payments, full, a whole year's worth of tuition for both of my boys to attend private school for the 2016-2017 school year. So that is one of the reasons why I love 31 and why I choose it to be my career choice. I love the flexibility and I love the extra income that it provides to my family. I also carry in here confidence, and the confidence that I gain with 31 by being my own CEO and by managing my own business and by meeting new customers and really growing my brand has given me so much confidence with 31, and I carry that with me with my bag everywhere I go. The other thing that I carry with 31 are other women, thousands and thousands of other women that I've been able to cross paths with because of 31. And not only has it been able to provide choices for me and my family, I've been able to help other women provide choices for them and their family. And that is so important to me. And I carry that with me in my bag everywhere I go. So I want to stop just a second and share with you just about 31 and let you know that I would love to talk to you more about becoming a 31 hostess or even a 31 team member. So if you're interested in learning more, please reach out to me and I would be happy to share a little more about what's in my bag with you.